Hello there, welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find hidden features on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So to do this, we're going to be able to find any features on settings. So go to quick settings, then all settings. From all settings, you want to navigate down until you find the option that says system, and then you go to about. So under about, you want to come down until you find the option that says build number. So Android TV OS build, click on this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that you have clicked on it 7 times, you find a message saying you are now a developer. So the hidden options will now be made revealed to you under settings. So under system, scroll down this list and now you find a new option that was not there saying developers options. So click on developers options, and with the first toggle turned on, developers options is active. So you can actually begin to alter these settings and see the results real time in your Chromecast. Now the first option here is stay awake. So if you click this and turn it on, your screen will never sleep. I prefer it to be on in my case. I don't know about you. So the next you have enable Bluetooth ACI stop look. If you understand what this means, then you know that you can enable it from here. You can enable it either filtered or enable it completely. I choose to disable it because I want the toggle for Bluetooth to remain off. Okay, now back to the settings. So also you could change the picture color mode to use sRGB. Give you an idea, it brings a more, will I say, saturated look to the Chromecast. Also, you know about USB debugging. This is the option. So if you want to use your USB for debugging, you could connect your USB cable to the Chromecast and connect to whatever device you're performing debugging from. You could revoke USB debugger authorizations as well. Also, wireless debugging is disabled. You can enable it if you have functionalities for that, but you must use an external device if you're talking about debugging, of course. So you could also select the mock location app. You could enable the viewing of attribute inspection. All of these are turned off. A very important one as well is the animations. I'll just show you that your Chromecast has a feel. So moving from one page to the next, moving from one section to the next, is because of the animation. So I could turn off all animations and that will make every single switch be instantaneous. So I'll keep that at 1x. You could increase the length of animations, you could reduce the length of animations. So you could think of crazy things you could do with animation settings at 10x, for instance. So there are other options as well. All these options were hidden before, and now you could take your time, go through the list, understand all the options, find what you're looking for, and get the best out of your device. So that's how you find hidden options on Chromecast. I hope that was useful and insightful. Until next time, this is DaveTech signing out.